so much, Luis. Assalamualaikum. Playing your video here. Tulang. Are you here or are you there? Try kong ibaba si ano, di, kung merong ano. Yung upload. Ayan guys. Naay nyo upload. Okay, dirita guys, oh. Okay, naay short video si Ma'am Uyamot guys. Okay, Uyamot channel. Kini Luis, oh, dikiti Luis. Tapos ano, tapos ka nang pag-comment dito kay para mabalikan ka. Kana siya si Ma'am Uyamot, ipina ko ha. Ayan. Nakadikit na ako sa iyo, Luis. Yan si Tulang, naka-play dito si Tulang. Naka-play dito si Tulang. Yan si Park yung di ay naaganiha si Park yung. Park yung. Okay. Unsa siya bay? Okay. Tarara. Tararararara. Tararararara. You look so beautiful in white. Dara, beautiful in white kay kwento ni. Beautiful in white. Ayan, puntahan nyo yan guys. Beautiful in white. Pastor, thank you so much, Pastor. Mag-iwan ako ng comment dito kay ano, kay Talang. Okay. Maraming salamat guys sa inyong lahat ng mga nandyan. Thank you so much. Okay. Sis Jan, salamat Sis Jan. Guys, I hope you also can go to channel Jan and Gracia guys. Nagla-live yan. Dasha, thank you for coming Dasha. Golden Egg. Talagang magstay po si Golden Egg, no? I-play natin dito si Golden Egg, be. Golden Egg, I will play your video here. Okay, I will play your video here. Golden Egg. Do you have a new upload, Golden Egg? Hindi hapon sila motobag kay hindi kasabot. Gahig now. Gahig now. Okay, playing your video here right now. Golden Egg. Okay, playing here. Advertising. Golden Egg. Advertising. Sis Al, salamat Sis Al. Wala kay upcoming Sis Al. Oh, yan, beautiful. Beautiful place. Golden Egg, beautiful place. Okay. Okay. Sarot. 2 videos full pack Gwen P. Ayan from Luis. Mama Da. Good morning, good morning. Good afternoon di idea. Good afternoon. Salamat, salamat Bili. Ayan, wala gid ko kagwanta gabi Mama Da. Gikapoy ko eh. Okay, Min Chow Ban. Way bahaw diha. Min Chow Ban. Thank you so much Min Chow Ban. Min Chow Ban. Pan Bitien. Mama Magdaroy BED ha from Als Mika Vlog. Sis Als, mega love shout out BED ha from Mama Magda. Ayan, andyan na siya ano, Luis, andyan na si Mama Magda. Puntahan mo siya. Ano siya, nagla-live din yan